In this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Telegram and then simply go to your settings. Now, once you go to your settings, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply go to data and storage. So simply tap on this, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on using cellular, and as you can see here you have data usage. So you're gonna have to make sure that this is set to high. So basically this will be the highest download speed when you're using cellular data, so mobile data. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply do the same thing when you're using Wi-Fi. So simply tap on using Wi-Fi and then simply make sure that this is set to high. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go back and tap back again and then scroll down. Now as you can see, you have power saving. Now what you're gonna have to do here is simply turn this off, and basically that's all you have to do. This will increase the download speed on Telegram very much. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.